So, guys, tonight it's a very snowy day or evening, and you can see plenty of snow. The cars are covered in snow, and it's still snowing. So, let's get in. All right, and let me welcome you this evening. I'd like to show you something really cool. We got some gifts from Santa today. All right, guys, let me welcome you warmly. Today or tonight is a nice and cozy atmosphere, and we have some gifts from Santa. So, let me just show you what I received today. So, this is it. All right, check it out. A Saturator from Brita. It's just like the Sodastream, and well, it's got a CO2 cartridge in there. And over here we have our merch product, and you can probably recognize the logo. It's a very nice bag, fabric bag, dzikieswinie YouTube with our pig logo. So what's in this bag? Let me just show you quickly. Let's unpack this first. All right. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. There you are. This is the syrup, 7-Up syrup for SodaStream. All right. Then we have, wow, the Pepsi. Okay. And here we have also the Mountain Dew. All right. So these three syrups are the gift together with the Saturator, and you can see here for dzikieswinie. All right. So this was a gift from Santa. All right. And let's unbox it and try and prepare a nice drink from the syrup. On top of that, you can see the bag here. It's a really wonderful product. It's printed on nicely onto this fabric, and this is our channel logo, and you can see here YouTube, dzikieswinie, the syrups. We have the water here, which we're gonna use to make this nice drink. So let's set it up, let's unpack it, and then we'll be on our way to do this drink. All right, let's get the box open. So by the way, just like any other saturator, this doesn't need any electricity. So just a standalone device. The manual. So if you guys like sparkling water or flavored sparkling water, this device is definitely for you. So let's set it up. That's the nozzle for the saturator. The device itself. All right, looks pretty neat. Probably that's from underside. Yep. All right. That will be your button, and that's the bottle. All right. And there's something heavy in the back. That's the CO2 cylinder that you need to use. Okay, so I think we'll need to make place for it. I think it will fit nicely here, next to the coffee machine and so on. All right. So pretty elegant, I must say, as you guys can see. So this is probably the part where you press in to make the drink. Okay, we still need to find a place how to insert that cylinder, CO2 cylinder. And this is the neat bottle from Brita. All right. You can probably hear our dog snoring, so that's the thing making the noise. Here we go. And it's quite a lot of snow on the balcony. All right. Let's get going. All right, what next? We need to check the manual how to insert this bit. So I think it's always good to check the manual. You'll never make mistakes when doing stuff. Alright, so it's pretty easy. We need to do 2 pieces. Insert them and, well, tighten them in. So, in fact, first you screw in the nozzle, then the cylinder from the back. Alright. So first of all, what we need to do is screw in that piece. This is what's gonna make the bubbles in the water. Okay, and here we actually need to insert the cylinder. You can see it's a long tube from the bottom. Okay. So let's get this cylinder open. Okay. This needs to go off the cylinder. You can see the nozzle here. Okay, it's pretty long, but it will fit nicely in there. So it says here 1 cylinder, it's actually 60 bottles of sparkling water. So let's put it in there. We now need to let it go slide in, and we need to screw it in a clockwise direction. Okay, that's it. It's in there. And I think it will be time to test it out now. So let's put the drip tray cover here. Okay, we'll need to rinse the bottle first, and then we can use some mineral water in there. Okay, so the manual says the longer you hold it, the more sparkly the water is. It's logical, but what about the timing? So if you hold it for approximately 1 second, it will give you slightly fuzzy water. On the other hand, if you hold it down for approximately 2 seconds, that means this button, it will give you a more sparkling water. For extra fuzzy water, you need to press it down for approximately 3 seconds. Alright, obviously you can increase the fuzziness of your water by holding it down even longer. Okay, so what you need to do is, in fact, you need to screw that bottle in there when you want to make the water fizzy. Okay, and that's the max level of fizziness. I'm pretty sure you can see it, and that's the minimum amount. So let's prepare some drinks. Okay, so I think we should start off with Pepsi. Yes, what do you guys say? Pepsi. All right, so here we have some mineral water without any gas. Okay, we need to add it in to the level which is required. So in fact you can make your own sodas at home. When I was smaller we also had a saturator like that, and back in communist Poland there were different sorts of saturators, even mobile ones on the street. Alright, that's it. So now for the syrup, you can see the ingredients here, and now we need to add a bit of syrup. Okay, so first you need to make the water fizzy, and then only thereafter we add the Pepsi. Okay, so let's check it out, guys, whether it will work. All right, so now it's testing time at Dzikieswinie YouTube channel. So let's make it medium fizzy. All right, so 101, 102. All right. Well, even the dog woke up because it's not as maybe silent as one thinks. Let's make it even more bubbly. Okay, so let's try for the syrup now. Okay, let me take a glass out just to show you guys. All right, and now for the syrup. It says here you need to add it up to basically the level of the cap. So it's quite sticky. Oh, you can smell. It's like Pepsi, but I think more concentrated. Okay, there we go. So that's how much you need to add. There we are. Nice. You can see the bubbles in there. And now we need to shake it gently before pouring it out. So how about we add some ice first? Okay, there we go. I think that's nicely mixed. It looks like Pepsi in color. Okay, now for some ice before we pour the drink. All right, so you can see there's gas in there, so time to pour nice fizzy water with Pepsi syrup into the glass. Nice. Oh, it looks like Pepsi, guys, on the rocks. So let me just close it up and then share it with other family members. Okay, so let's have a drink. All right, guys, so cheers. Thanks for sticking with me, and obviously it's always nice to see you guys, and I hope you stayed all along to watch me do this nice Brita Saturator unboxing. Let's have a taste. It's literally like a real deal, okay? Just homemade. Nice. All right. Okay, guys. Until next time. Alright guys, at the end I just want to show you some more syrups that I managed to get. Unfortunately, I was not able to buy the original Coca-Cola syrup, only the Pepsi one. Somehow it's not available online, but I managed to get the Sprite, so original Sprite syrup, as well as Fanta Orange, and something which is called Cola syrup. So I'm still hoping to find out if Coca-Cola ever launched their own syrup, which would be quite fun, because we have the Pepsi here, 7-Up, and here we have the Sprite and Fanta, but no Coca-Cola yet. All right, guys.